You're going to start off with your equation, and then you are going to put it into a matrix. So by doing that, you're going to put it in your calculator by how many rows there are and how many columns there are. And then just insert the numbers of the equation. So now that you have it in its matrix, the first step you want to do is multiply the first row by 1/3 to get the 3a1. So by doing that, you're going to go to your calculator and multiply the row by 1/3. So now that you have your 1, you're going to want to do your second row operation by getting the 7 as 0, by doing row 2 minus 7 row 1 and putting the answer into row 2. Now, for your third step, to get your second 0, you're going to want to do row 3 minus 4 row 1 and put the answer into row 3. To get the last 0 in this first column, you want to do row 4 minus 3 row 1 and put it into row 4. Now that you've found all your zeros, you want to make your second one by multiplying negative 28 over 3 by its reciprocal, which would be negative 3 over 28. You now need to make the 7 over 3 a 0, and by doing row 1 minus 7 over 3, row 2, and putting it into row 1, you will make it a 0. After you've gotten that 0, you need to make negative 19 over 3 into a 0 by adding 19 over 3. Lastly, with this column, you need to add 5 to row 4 by doing row 4 plus 5 row 2 and putting it into row 4 to get its 0.